It's a cold day up here in the Great White North. Ooh, that's Canada for you Americans. Let's take her for a ride. And she roars to life, yes. Oh yeah, I forgot, this Crown Vic has no heat. When I was driving it home, yeah, there's no heat. I've had this car warming up for quite a while and it's just got cold air coming out of here. Cold air. It is freezing in here. All right, so I got to fix this problem and I think I know what it is. I was looking this up and it's most likely the Blend Door Actuator. Okay, the Blend Door Actuator is a little module that sits on top of the airbox and opens the door either left or right to let more or less cold air in to reach the desired temperature that you want. It's behind the dash in here somewhere, and often it fails, the motor fails or whatever, in an open position, open for cold or open for heat. And that is what I think the problem is, but I'm gonna find out if that's the problem, and I'm gonna do a quick fix if I can do it, because I don't have a new Blend Door Actuator yet. Okay, Google is my friend. Okay, so now I know that the BDA, the Blend Door Actuator, is behind the glove box and to the left. So it's up there somewhere. Yeah, it's up there somewhere. Okay, so let's take what I can do quickly to get this out of the way. Push this in here. Push that. Oh, and the glove box is now out of my way so I can see in here. Okay, you see that white plastic up there? That's the Blend Door Actuator. Yes, it is. Way up there. It's extremely hard to reach. Thank you very much, Ford, for that. Okay, the depth stitch endoscope is going to allow me to see clearly what's happening here. Okay, it's on. Okay, so this black plastic piece right here, that is the lever that opens and closes the blend door. And right now, as you can see, it's an L-shaped black plastic, and it is facing towards the left of the car, the driver's side of the car. And that means it's in the cold position. And even though I turn my switch to the heat, that is stuck in the cold position. So I've got to move that so that it's facing towards the rear of the car to get heat. How am I going to do that? So as you can see, the white plastic here, you have a bolt here, you have a bolt at the back, which I cannot see. There's a little plastic white knob there. I guess that's attached to the black lever below it. Okay, so clearly we have to get this L-shaped black plastic lever moved to a different position in order to get heat. How am I going to do that? That knob appears to be connected to the black plastic. I wonder if I can try and turn this knob. Okay. All right, vice grips to the rescue. Okay, I'm going to try and use my vice grips, grab that white piece of plastic that we saw, and rotate it and see if that'll work. Because I've already tried it doing with my hand. I can't do it. Maybe with the help of vice grips, I can do it. Okay, I've got my vice grips actually vice gripping on the white knob. Can you see that? And now I have to turn the vice grips to the left. Okay, that's not going. Maybe I have to have the car on. Okay, my ignition is on. Let's try moving the vice grips. I'm pushing. All right, so it appears that the motor was stuck, and as soon as I pushed on it with the vice grips, it went to the hot position by itself. So the motor still needs to be replaced, but for now, I believe I'm on the hot position. Let's just do one more check to make sure that I'm where I think I am. Okay, let's bring out the endoscope again. Handy dandy endoscope, and see what we can see. There is the Blend Door Actuator, and we go down here. Yes, you can see now that the lever is pointing towards the back of the car, and you can see that little bit of rusty metal. That is the actual lever that this plastic piece fits over, the lever that is attached to the blend door right there. So now we're in the heat position. So if we leave it there, it should stay there for now until I can replace this white plastic Blend Door Actuator. Yes. All right, to put the glove box back into its original position, we just push this in, push this in. There you go. Okay, so now let's test and see if I've got heat. Full heat. Let's see if we got heat. Let's see. Come on now. Come on now. Yes. Lots and lots of heat. That's good. Okay, so I fixed it. I fixed it. Okay, I didn't fix it. Okay. No, I actually did not fix it. But for now, I have heat. All right, so now you know what to do. If you have no heat, you can actually move the Blend Door Actuator yourself with a pair of vice grips or a pair of pliers and get yourself some heat temporarily until you can do the proper fix. And speaking of a proper fix, I have ordered my new Blend Door Actuator and I will be installing it. I know it's going to be a tough job, but I think I have an easy way of doing it. So that will be my next video, or maybe my next video. I don't know. But anyway, for now, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.